All right, y'all. So, don't know if y'all know it, but we had a torrential downpour, which is why I have this on. It's like a rain bonnet. That's what I had on today. And I'm on my way to drop this vehicle off. This is the loaner. They were not available when I went Saturday. They had closed, I guess, early. I got there 15 minutes before it was time to close. I filled this thing all the way back up. Look, it's past full. $40. Filled it up. It took $40. $3.45 is what we're paying for gas right now, y'all. It's very rainy, so after I drop this off, probably get something to eat, maybe go to the store, and then going back to the house, y'all. That's the plan, going back to the house. So we had torrential downpours and heavy gust winds. They knocked over our trash cans. But yeah, they said it could have been like tornadic activity out here. So the storm is passing, and we're getting the effects of that. All right, y'all. It is what it is for today. I will talk to y'all later, because this weather is something else. This is what we're dealing with. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I got the vehicle back, got the truck back. They didn't charge me. Y'all, look at what is going on. I don't know if you see that police car. There's also an ambulance. I'm gonna go and get me something to eat out of the Shomars behind us. Probably a fish sandwich, y'all. Y'all hear the sirens? I'm trying to see where it's coming from. Sounds like it's coming from... Oh, there's a fire truck, y'all. Fire truck. So hopefully everybody's okay. I know I got an alert saying that there was some type of tractor trailer blocking lanes westbound somewhere. After I get this food, I'm on my way to the house, y'all. I have apple juice. I wanted to get some more water. I'm trying to think, was there anything on my list that was very pressing that I need for tomorrow, but I don't think so. I actually took off tomorrow, y'all. That was one of my clients. I just got off the phone with her. She called me because she wants me to go to court with her tomorrow because the leasing agent held her security deposit, and she shouldn't have been doing that. Snacks for lunch, I got that. More drinks, more water, shoe covers, oat milk. I might want to get some oat milk. Pine Sol, orange bottle, dry cat food. I should be okay with that. Shea butter, I'm okay. Food for lunch, I'm okay. Snacks for lunch, I already got those. More drinks, okay, that's about it. That's all I can think of for right now. I need to get home so I can actually start organizing and stuff, because I have like papers scattered all over the floor, y'all. So anyway, let me go in here and order my food. It's already 5:34. You know, this is high traffic time. It looks like he's giving them a ticket. He's walking back to the car, y'all. Look, I don't know if I can see, if I can zoom in. I don't think it's gonna let me zoom in, y'all. I was gonna try to zoom in for y'all, but yeah, it looks like he's giving a traffic ticket to whoever this is in that car. So unfortunately, y'all, they got a traffic ticket in the rain. Hopefully you can hear me. I didn't hook the microphone up because I'm about to run in here. So I will tune in with you later. All right, y'all. Edward? y'all. So I made it inside of Showmars. I'm probably gonna sit over here on the side while they get my food ready, y'all. Sit on over here. Get my drink. And just wait for my food, y'all. Probably could have just got it and eaten it right here, but I got it to go. So I got this thing on my head because it's just been non-stop raining all day, and I really don't want my hair getting wet because I put too much time, effort, and energy into flat ironing my hair, and it did get a little wet yesterday because it was raining. And I'm hoping that it doesn't frizz up too much, y'all. So, like I said, after this, more than likely, I'll probably head to the house and try to get mentally prepared for tomorrow. I hate court. I don't like going to court. I don't like hospitals. I don't like funerals. I don't like anything that's kind of like negative with stressful energy, y'all. So I try to have a more peaceful, relaxing vibe. And plus, I need to really try to clean up and organize as much as I can while I have this time, because we didn't have school today. And since we didn't have school today, I ended up going out for a little while, went to the store, went and turned the loaner car in, made sure I filled it up. But of course, I'm going to have to put more gas in this SUV. So it's like it's a never-ending cycle, and gas prices have gone up, y'all. Luckily, it takes unleaded, but it is what it is, y'all. Not going to complain. Thank God for the warranty that was on it. So I looked at the paper. I think she just called me.